One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rastaman reggae savage. Whoa. One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rastaman reggae savage. Whoa. Jamaica slammer.
From Kingston, Jamaica, weighing in at 268 pounds, Rage the Savage.
One love, one slam.
Here we go, guys. Somebody's about to get sent through a table. And whoever that ends up being, I guarantee you they will not be sitting right for at least a week.
One slam, Babylon gone, Rastaman reggae savage. One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rastaman reggae savage. One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rastaman reggae savage. Jamaica slammer.
The phenomenal AJ Styles. When you talk about AJ Styles, the list of accomplishments is seemingly endless. Styles, a true global superstar before arriving in WWE, but since he's been here, AJ Styles has lived up to the moniker
And his
phenomenal.
opponent, first, from Gainesville, Georgia, weighing in at 218 pounds, the phenomenal AJ Styles.
AJ Styles has constantly proven that he is a mastermind of offensive innovation, and it has taken him to the championship promised land on multiple occasions. Big stage, big fight. AJ Styles is ready.
Hey mercenaries, locked and loaded. Expendables rise, the code exploded. New sanity, born in fire. Enemies crushed, no more desire. Still fist, combat zone. Every heartbeat's a broken bone. Contract signed, blowing the line. We fight for money, we fight for time. Action screams in the dead of night. We break the silence, we ignite.
And from New York, weighing in at 206 pounds, Spike Charonis.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for our fatal four-way match. And one of these superstars will walk away from here with plenty to brag about, while the other three will likely be wondering what went wrong for them here tonight.
Smash the enemy, break the chain. Pain and blood, we own the pain. Expendables rise, expendables burn. New city, the time will take. New city, war is reality. Soldiers crushing brutality. Expendables, no mercy, no pain. New city, enemy set in infinity. New city, war is reality. Soldiers crushing brutality. Expendables, no mercy, no pain. New city, enemy set in infinity. Yeah. No.
And from
Let's
Germany,
go.
weighing in at 221 pounds, Big Eagle Marcus.
Coming up, guys, and this is not your traditional tables match. This is a fatal four-way tables match.
Just when you thought the tables match couldn't get any more dangerous, we went and made it a fatal four-way. I love it.
One of the aspects to this type of match which makes it so interesting is that it can lead to the formation of unlikely alliances. Just another thing to have to worry about when you're competing against three other superstars all at the same time. Incoming!
Elbow finds its mark.
What a stomp! Good grief! Oh, so ruthless!
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Nino! Man, that hurts! AJ Styles caught a bit off guard there.
Which is a rare sight.
In four-way matches such as this, things could get very ugly for him very quickly.
The funny thing about a table match is that it almost doesn't matter how damaged you are. You can go through a table at any time. The tables match at Extreme Rules 2012 is probably the best example of that.
I'm not going to go so far as to say he can't win this match, but things certainly aren't looking good for him right now.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Look at this. That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Oh, he's able to reverse it.
Oh, to the back of the neck. What a lariat.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, nasty impact. Oh, he goes low. You're not cheating, you're not trying.
Boom, what impact. He's on the defensive now. The four-way match is clearly getting the better of him here.
I don't think this is how he envisioned this tables match playing out, guys. At this point, unless something changes, I don't see how he has much of a chance.
Toss to the outside.
You want to talk about WWE Hall of Famers taking things to the extreme?
The first time many fans saw somebody put through a table was in 1984. Randy Macho Man Savage drove Ricky Morton of the Rock and Roll Express through a table with a pile driver at the Mid-South Coliseum.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Corey, I remember seeing photos.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one. He's starting to feel it here. It'll be interesting to see how he responds here in this four-way environment.
He obviously came into this match intent on taking the fight to the outside as much as he could, though I'm not sure that's the right approach.
Ooh! This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He's going for it all. Look at this! What a reversal by AJ Styles. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Gonna be woozy after that impact.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He goes down hard.
Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Harsh impact. Styles looking to end this thing. Styles clash.
Styles can finish the job here.
Got the head scissors on.
Oh,
Oh, an elbow to the face.
Oh, nasty impact. Oh, what's this gonna be? Uh-oh. Powerbomb!
Just when you thought he
Got him. Big victory in the fatal four-way.
Locked and loaded. Expendables rise. The code exploded. New sanity. Born in fire.
Introducing the table to a match always delivers in this business. Take a look.
These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Here is your winner, Stallone.
Gonna feel the effects of this win for a while.
Wow, I can't believe what these four competitors just put their bodies through. What a battle.
Listen to this Detroit crowd. I think they're already ready for the rematch.
New